Alright, today I'm going to be making Nogshim bowl noodle soup by Nogshim. Alright, so this is the spicy kimchi flavor that I'm going to be making right here. It's BPA free container. Right here, you can either microwave it, which I normally would do, but instead of microwaving today, I'm actually just going to add boiling hot water. So I have my boiling hot water almost boiling, all right? And we can look at the instructions, the cooking instructions on the back. I'm gonna go over the microwave instructions first, and then I'm gonna go over adding the boiling hot water, or just the hot water. Excuse me, don't add boiling water, add hot water, all right? So right here it says, okay, so for microwave right here, you open up inside, open it up, pull it back, and it says you pour in the water and the seasoning base. It says remove lid, add soup base, pour room temperature water up to the inside line, microwave for 3 minutes, stir and serve. I normally would do that, but I'm not going to do that today. Instead, I'm going to use the hot water method, okay? I am going to open the lid halfway, add soup base, pour hot water up to the inside line, excuse me, close lid for 3 minutes and still stir. So that's what I'm going to do. Excuse me. I'm going to go ahead and open this. Pull it back. Add the seasoning, and then add the hot water, not boiling water. I made a mistake by saying boiling water earlier. I meant to say hot water. Gonna pour it on the seasoning right here, up until the line. Not sure where the line is. It's right there. Absolute goodness. And then I'm going to cover it for 3 minutes. Put my spoon over it to keep it covered. Absolute goodness. All right, after 3 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and take the lid off. And I'm going to completely pull off the lid. Let me zoom in so you can see some of the flavoration that's going on in here. Well, look at it. So I did it. And so this type of ramen noodles is, doing it this way is actually, it looks like the ramen noodles are a little bit more al dente than it would be if I put it in the microwave. By letting it sit like this, I think the seasoning goes all the way through like that. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.